What's up, everyone? So today I am going to be installing a wheel stud on a 2002 Honda CRV. So usually on these you'd have to pull the hub, but neat little trick I like to do is actually, let's see if we can focus there, grind down one end like that a little bit. Just enough to get it through, but not to compromise it. And then it gives us enough space to actually slide it in here without having to remove our hub. So, also wanted to show you guys how I'll be installing it. I use Lyle's wheel stud installer. They also do make one for truck wheel studs if you need that. I have both. So the way it works is you get your stud in there, this goes over it, get your nut, get it hand tight, then we hammer it the rest of the way with our impact. We got our stud installed. So once again, there it is right there. You can use washers the old-fashioned way, but this makes it a lot easier. Hope this video helped out. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.